Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone battery is original or not in a couple ways. So let's get started. The very first and easy way to check is going to be if you have one of the newer iPhone on iOS 15.2 or later version, simply go into your settings, and then from your settings, you're going to tap on battery. Now, once you get to the battery section here, you're going to want to click on to see if you see a message that looks like this, where it says battery health message, which you might see under battery health. So tap on battery health. And if you get a message like this where it's unable to verify if it has a genuine battery, most likely the battery is not original. So this message is a good indicator the battery is not original. So the iPhone can detect it. But there are cases where the battery might have been replaced with another third-party one and you don't see this message. In that case, you're going to want to look at the metric for this phone. So let's say the phone is used for maybe 6 months, right? It's not going to have 100% battery. It's just going to go down to maybe 98, 97, something like that. If it's been used for a year, right, it's going to not be 100%. Usually it's not possible. It's probably going to be at around the low 90 percentage. So keep that in mind. So if someone is saying or giving you a phone and it's 100% battery, but they used it for a year, that's probably not possible. Most likely the battery has been replaced, and it's probably not original if it didn't replace it at the Apple Store. Now also keep in mind the battery count cycle. So right now this one has 25 cycle count and it's at 100%, which makes sense. But let's say this one has couple hundred and it's at 100%, probably would not make sense. It needs to go down as this number goes up. And then the other aspect you can check is things like when the phone battery was first in use. As you can see here, this one was used for that time, and kind of give an idea of how the battery health should be if it's been used for that long and the cycle has been up a lot. So those are going to be kind of ways to take a look at to see if the battery is original or not. So keep in mind, again, if you see 100%, it's an older phone. Most likely it's not the original battery. And if you see this number really high and it's 100%, most likely not original as well. And a last check you can do is check around the edges to see if the phone possibly has been open. Sometimes when you open a phone, it leaves these marks from the edge to replace the battery. That will be indicative the battery has most likely been replaced, or even the screen or any parts of it. So when it comes to checking for original parts, it's a good way to check around the edges to see if there's no way someone might have lifted it or used like some kind of thing to pry it open. So those are a couple checks to do. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.